Hello everybody, Paul Dahmen here. Today I will build me a subkick with a test generator. Okay, we are start. The first what we need is we need an audio track. And then we can give the name subkick. So now we load the test generator in the channel, and I make the fader a little bit down because the next couple minutes are very noisy. So you found the test generator in the tools section in Cubase. I use the setting here. Oh. Okay, and then you have to load under the dynamics the gate or noise gate. And then you activate the sidechain. And then on the left side, the small button, set up the sidechain inputs. So that means you can send directly the sidechain to your kick. And then we have to move the fader back. I give him now the normal settings because later when I have found the right sound for my kick, I fade him new in. So now I make the kick single. So here's now my kick. So now we listen this up to the test generator. So the first what I do is I change of peak. And we can the threshold we set the thing how open the sub, also the test generator, also and the kick sound mit settings mit hold and release. That's good. And now I can push this fader back, and the kick we are set now of pre-fader. And now we can fade in the sub. That's good. Now we go back to the kick. Make sure the sub kick sidechain we are put back of post fader. That's good. Maybe we make the sub kick a little bit less. The bottom we don't need. Okay, that's it. And now we listen in the full sound. Okay, thank you for watching, and I hope this was helpful. Yeah, take care and bye.